We're going to make a snowman using a different type of perspective. So we're used to seeing a snowman straight on, where we're looking at it as though we're standing up and it's right in front of us. That's how I would normally think of a snowman. Last couple days, we worked on making a snowman from worm's eye view. That's where it looks like we're standing underneath the snowman and looking up. So when you do that, you'll see that the middle and the top of the snowman are foreshortened. We're going to use yet another kind of perspective to draw and add some shading to our last snowman. This is called bird's eye view. This is where it looks like you're looking down on top of the snowman. So if I was a bird and I was flying above the snowman, it might look a little bit like this. So what I'm going to do on one of my small pieces of paper, I'm going to draw the 3 circles for a bird's eye snowman, and I'm going to stack them on top of each other. So I'm going to draw a large circle. It doesn't have to be perfect. A medium circle and a small circle for the head. Then I'm going to add in some shadows. I'm going to do that using one of my color wands. I'm going to use blue since it's a cool color and it kind of reminds me of the snow. I'm going to take my blue color wand and I'm going to trace around the outside of all my circles. I might go around it a couple of times to get a lot of color on there. Now, it doesn't look like a shadow just yet. There's one more step to blend this color in. Now, I'm going to take a finger and I'm going to push this color into the middle. And you can see you get a little bit of light blue as you do that. I'm going to do that with all of them. Now, I'm noticing that this isn't working quite the way I want it to. So I'm going to actually take my brush with a little bit of water and I'm going to use that to blend instead. Pushing some of that dark blue into the center so that I have a little bit of a gradient going from dark blue to medium blue to light. I'll do the same thing on my medium circle and then my small circle. Notice I have to go over the blue a couple of times to get the color to pick up on my brush. Also keep in mind you don't really need a lot of water, just a little bit. All right, once I have my blue blended, I'm gonna wait for this to dry. And then once it's dry, I'm gonna cut out my circles and set them to the side. I'm doing this a little bit early. try to cut on that dark blue line. And then you'll notice as you stack your circles, it'll start to look like you're looking at a snowman from above using the bird's eye view. You can recycle your scrap paper or use it for another artwork today, just for fun if you would like. So now that I have my 3 circles, I'm going to set these aside, and then tomorrow we're going to add our decoration.